वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णौ वन्दे जगद्गुरुं कृष्णौ वन्दे जगद्गुरुम्।
ॐ श्री परमात्मने नमः। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता अथ द्वादशोऽध्यायः। अर्जुन उवाच एवं सततयुक्ता ये भक्तास्त्वां पर्युपासते ये चाप्यक्षरमव्यक्तं तेषां के योगवित्तमाः। श्रीभगवानुवाच मय्यावेश्य मनो ये मां नित्ययुक्ता उपासते श्रद्धया परयोपेतास्ते मे युक्ततमा मताः।
ये त्वक्षरमनिर्देश्यम् अव्यक्तं पर्युपासते सर्वत्र गमचिन्त्यं च कूटस्थमचलं ध्रुवम् सन्नियम्येन्द्रियग्रामं सर्वत्र समबुद्धयः ते प्राप्नुवन्ति मामेव सर्वभूतहिते रताः। क्लेशोऽधिकतरस्तेषाम् अव्यक्तासक्तचेतसाम् अव्यक्ता हि गतिर्दुःखं देहवद्भिरवाप्यते। ये तु सर्वाणि कर्माणि मयि सन्न्यस्य मत्पराः अनन्येनैव योगेन मां ध्यायन्त उपासते। तेषामहं समुद्धर्ता मृत्युसंसारसागरात् भवामि न चिरात् पार्थ मय्यावेशितचेतसाम्। मय्येव मन आधत्स्व मयि बुद्धिं निवेशय निवसिष्यसि मय्येव अत ऊर्ध्वन्न संशयः। अथ चित्तं समाधातुं न शक्नोषि मयि स्थिरम् अभ्यासयोगेन ततो मामिच्छाप्तुं धनञ्जय। अभ्यासेऽप्यसमर्थोऽसि मत्कर्म परमो भव मदर्थमपि कर्माणि कुर्वन् सिद्ध्यति सिद्धिमवाप्स्यसि
अथैतदप्यशक्तोऽसि कर्तुं मद्योगमाश्रितः सर्वकर्मफलत्यागं ततः कुरु यतात्मवान् श्रेयो हि ज्ञानमभ्यासाच् ज्ञानाध्यानौ विशिष्यते ध्यानात् कर्म फलत्यागात् शान्तिरनन्तरम्
अद्वेष्टा सर्वभूतानां मैत्रः करुण एव च निर्ममो निरहङ्कारः समदुःखसुखः क्षमी
Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum. I am feeling extremely happy to welcome you all in this Gita Santha Kaksha, in which in next 20 days you will be learning 12th and 15th chapter of Bhagavad Gita, which are the most easiest and beautiful chapters. Bhagavad Gita is not just a book. This is a science. Jnanam Vijnana Sahitam. You will be able to understand that how this transforms your life very systematically. When you will start chanting, you don't worry about that you don't have learned Sanskrit here before. You have never learned Sanskrit here before. You don't know how to read these difficult words. Don't worry about it, because Gita Parivar has developed one system, a very systematic way of teaching this difficult Sanskrit shlokas with proper division of words, which is called Sandhi Vichhed, and how to pronounce. The science has been developed. You will be able to pronounce all Anuswaras, Visargas in a very systematic way, and you won't get this kind of chance even by spending lakhs of rupees. You won't be able to pronounce so perfectly these Sanskrit shlokas. Believe me, the teachers which have been appointed to teach you, they already have completed their own course. Thereafter, they have gone for one examination, and thereafter the training for being a teacher has been given to them, and thousands of people, they apply to be a teacher in this program, but very few get selected, and one of them will be teaching you for next 20 days. So please don't keep any kind of question in your mind. Be sure that you are going to learn the right pronunciations. And on Saturdays and Sundays, we have Vivechan Satras. We explain that what exactly you are learning. We explain the meaning of all these shlokas. This will be available in Hindi and English, both the languages. Once you attend those sessions, you will see that your life is transforming. The most important thing is, in last 2.5 years, more than 5 lakh people from 136 countries have joined this class. We are teaching in 12 different languages. The first batch of the day starts at 5 a.m. and the last batch ends at 2 a.m. We have 14 time slots, and every day we are running 1100 Zoom classes for coaching Bhagavad Gita to people. People have experienced that they are changing from within. Their health issues have been solved. They are feeling more happy. The psychological positiveness has been experienced. I'm very sure that you all will experience this. The environment of your home is going to be more pious. It's going to be more beautiful. And you will have the best period of your life in these coming 20 days. But there is only one rule, because Bhagavad Gita is Yoga Shastra. It's the science of yoga. And in science, in this science, yamas and niyamas, the rules are very important. You have to follow these rules. And the most important rule is you have to attend the class every day. Don't miss it out. Because Bhagavan Sri Krishna himself have told in 12th chapter that he loves those devotees, those who remembers him every day. Nitya yukta upasate. Every day is a very important word. Nitya yukta. So don't miss out. Keep your timings. Keep yourself free that time. And be attentive. Don't let your concentration go here and there. You will feel the difference. And that will be the beauty of this program. This is all free of cost. Almost 4,500 volunteers are working to make this happen. And the guidance of His Holiness Swami Govinda Dev Giriji Maharaj, I again welcome you all with great happiness. I wish you all the best for coming 20 days. Be there, be with us, learn Bhagavad Gita and enhance a step ahead